Polars versus Pandas. Python data processing has entered a new race. For years, Pandas has been the go-to library for data analysis. But now, Polars is changing the game with lazy execution, multi-threading, and incredible speed. So here's the question. When your data grows from millions to 10 billion rows, can Pandas still keep up? Or is Polars becoming the new champion for Python data engineering? The 2026 data shift. The data world has changed. We're no longer processing small CSV files or simple batch reports. Today's pipelines handle telemetry, logs, IoT events, and cloud data at massive scale. That's where architecture makes the difference. Pandas is familiar, flexible, and great for everyday analysis. But Polars was built for modern workloads with columnar storage, parallel execution, and lazy query optimization. So in 2026, the question isn't just, can it run? It's, can it scale? Architecture of speed. The biggest difference isn't the syntax. It's how each library executes your code. Pandas runs every operation immediately. Simple. But large datasets can waste memory and repeat unnecessary work. Polars takes a different approach. It builds the entire query first, optimizes it, removes extra steps, and only then executes. Think of it like navigation. Pandas starts driving right away. Polars checks the route first, finds the fastest path, then hits the accelerator. 10 billion row benchmarks. Small datasets make every library look fast. The real difference appears when the workload explodes. Massive joins, heavy group by operations, wide table scans, billions of telemetry records. This is where Polars takes the lead. Its lazy optimizer, multi-threaded engine, and efficient memory usage keep processing moving at full speed. Pandas is still an excellent choice for everyday analysis. But at massive scale, performance isn't just an advantage. It's the difference between finishing the job or running out of memory. Developer experience and ecosystem speed matters. But it is not the only factor. Pandas is familiar. Millions of developers already know its API, making it perfect for quick analysis and rapid prototyping. Polars takes a different approach. It is built for modern data pipelines, with excellent support for Parquet, cloud storage, and large-scale transformations. So this is not just a speed battle. It is about choosing the right tool. Pandas for productivity, Polars for performance at scale. Final verdict. So, who wins? For notebooks, quick experiments, and smaller datasets, Pandas is still an excellent choice. But for large telemetry data and production pipelines, Polars delivers better speed and memory efficiency. The practical answer is simple. Use Pandas for fast development. Use Polars when performance and scale become the priority. In 2026, Polars wins at scale.